TK Pro makes it extremely easy to be able to locate and use standards or templates to begin creating all of your permits for an upcoming outage. By using the outage function inside of TK Pro, you can associate your standards or templates with a particular outage. In this example, you can see that we have two separate outages that we've set inside of TK Pro, a spring outage and a fall outage. Since the spring outage is coming up, I know that I want to strictly see the standards or templates associated with spring outages. By clicking the checkbox for spring outage on the right side of the Create screen, this automatically filters all of the standards or templates inside of the application. Now that I've narrowed down my standards, which are only for the spring outage, I am ready to begin creating all of the permits I need from these approved procedures. Repeating this process until you've created all of your outage permits, you are now ready to begin your outage. To easily find how the outage is coming along, we can go to our index and adjust our filters for the spring outage. Instead of preparing outage permits for months, after you have standards inside of TK Pro, you can spend less time creating permits and more time staying safe.